Today is Friday. I love Friday mornings. Today is when my friend, Mr. Postman, comes to deliver the Farm World magazine. I love the smell of papers. I love the colorful pictures too. I can't wait to see what's in the magazine today. Beep beep. Oh, I can hear him coming. I gotta go. He's here, he's here.
Hey, how's it going, Texa?
Hello, Mr. Postman.
It's time for your treat, Texa. Are you ready?
I love it, I love it.
Close your eyes and open your mouth.
Yum, 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 yum. Strawberry. I love strawberries.
Strawberries are very healthy. It widens your teeth too.
Thank you so much for my treat, Mr. Postman.
Here's the Farm World magazine, Texa.
Thank you, Mr. Postman.
Well, I have to leave now. I have so many parcels, magazines, and mails to deliver, Texa. I'll see you next time.
See you later, Mr. Postman. See you later. Smells so good. I just love the smell of ink. Let me see what's in it. I love magazines.
Hey, Texa. Did you get the magazine?
Oh my gosh, I totally forgot to deliver the magazine to Farmer Jack. I need to go. Yes, Farmer Jack, here's the magazine.
Thank you, Texa. Good girl.
I wish I had the magazine all to myself. What's that? What's that? What's that in the sky? What's that? What is that? Oh, that looks like a bird. Huh. What's all the noise? I better go see what's going on. What's going on, Chuck? Look at the sky, Texa. Look. Look, Texa. Look at that bird in the sky. What bird, Chuck? Are you talking about that colorful thing in the sky? Look at that colorful bird, Texa. Isn't it so beautiful? What is this? I have never seen a bird like that. It should be a rainbow bird, but I'm not sure. Have you seen a rainbow bird before, Chuck? No, NIKO, I have never seen one, but my mommy always tells me about them in the stories. Be careful! Be careful! Oh no, it is falling! Oh no! Flap your wings! Flap your wings! Keep your head up! Oh goodness, it's falling! Be strong! Be strong! Be strong! Oh no, it's falling. It's not moving. Are you okay? It doesn't move. It doesn't move. Oh no. Somebody needs to go get this bird some water and food. Right, that's a good idea. Let me see. Well, I don't think this bird needs water or food. Why? Why, Texa? Because it's not a bird. I sniffed it from head to toe. This is not a bird. It's a flying farm word magazine. It smells like a magazine. I can smell the ink. It's also colorful, just like the magazine. I think I should give it to the farmer Jack. I have never seen a magazine before. Let me see. That is very interesting. So that's what a magazine looks like. Okay everyone, it's enough looking. I need to take it to the farmer Jack. I bet he's looking for it. Okay Texa, you can take it. A farm word magazine. Look, Farmer Jack, look what I found.
What is this, Texa? It's a kite. Look, Texa, this is what a kite looks like. Hey, let me call Ella. Hey, Ella. Come here, Ella. I want to show you something.
A kite? I have never heard of such a thing. Look! Our carrots looks a lot better this year. Look at this one, it's so big.
Hey Ella, come here.
Farmer Jack is calling me. I better go. Yes, Jack? What's going on?
Ella, look what Texa found today.
What is that?
It's a kite.
What a beautiful kite. Good job, Texa.
Don't you want to fly the kite, Ella? Here you go.
Come on, Texa. Let's go and fly the kite. I'll show you how it looks like in the sky. Come on. Okay, Ella. I love to see it. Texa and Ella had a wonderful time flying a kite in the sky.